In this tutorial, we will guide you through the process of designing a 3D part using CATIA V5. CATIA V5 is a powerful software used by engineers and designers to create complex 3D models. Let's get started. Step 1. Open CATIA V5 and create a new part document. Choose the appropriate template based on your design requirements. Step 2. Start by sketching the base profile of your part using the Sketcher workbench. Use the various sketching tools like lines, circles, and arcs to create the desired shape. Step 3. Once the sketch is complete, modify the dimensions and constraints to ensure accuracy and flexibility in your design. CATIA V5 provides a vast array of tools for editing sketches. Step 4. Now, exit the Sketcher workbench and enter the Part Design workbench. This is where we will create the solid model from the sketch. Step 5. Use the pad tool to extrude the sketch and create a 3D shape. Specify the desired depth or height of the extrusion and any other parameters if needed. Step 6. Next, employ various features like fillet, chamfer, and hole to add necessary details and refine the part. These tools will enhance the functionality and aesthetics of your design. Step 7. Advanced tools like rib, draft, and shell can be used to achieve more complex geometries or modify existing shapes as per design requirements. Step 8. Finally, validate your design by performing necessary checks and simulations. CATIA V5 offers comprehensive analysis capabilities to ensure the integrity of your 3D part. Congratulations! You have successfully designed a 3D part using CATIA V5. Don't forget to save your work and export the final model in the desired format. Thank you for watching this tutorial on mastering 3D part design with CATIA V5. We hope you found this step-by-step guide helpful in your design journey. For more informative videos and tutorials, subscribe to our channel. Happy designing!